445 Springs, 1037.
Go ahead.
Echo Valley, about to turn on to 7 South. It's me a white Chevy passenger car. Adam X-Ray Lincoln, 55 Tom. Echo Point.
Copy, Echo Point. That's regarding 1063 units back to the 4th floor.
Copy, portable.
Shove it in fucking head! Nope! You better stop, motherfucker! I'm gonna shoot! I wanna shoot! Stop! You better stop! Stop! I got you at gunpoint, you better stop! Stop! Right there, look at me, stop! Turn around! Turn around! Get on your knees! Get on your knees! Straight in your face! On your face! Lay on your face! Lay on your face!
Hot Springs, 4th floor, my third up there.
She didn't do nothing. I was getting her a ride.
It's not right here.
Hot Springs, 1064 hits.
Spread the legs apart. Feet apart.
412 Felony towing.
10-4.
She didn't do anything.
Shut up. We'll handle, dude.
That's my fault.
Tom did not connect on one car, just want to read number.
10-4. What's your name, dude?
John.
John what?
Zuber.
Huh?
Zuber.
Zuber?
Yeah.
All right.
I think I know you.
How you know me?
I don't know.
You got anything on you? What's that back here?
One of your phone's on the floor.
Yeah, I got it. Hey, Corbin, you don't have to put him in your car. I don't have a cage.
Sorry.
Have a seat, dude.
Call my mom, please.
What's his name? You just ride with random people? You don't know their name?
No, I mean, it's, I don't,
You tell me what's his name.
I don't, that's what I don't,
What do you know his name to be?
all I know is John.
John?
Three's that one.
You ride with some dude and you don't even know his name.
Well, I was getting a ride home from work.
Well, see where that got you, huh?
Yeah, that shit, I will buy him to Uber.
He says John Zuber. He said Zuber. I don't have an ID yet. I don't know how to, I don't know how you go about spelling that. Other than goober. Move right here in front of my car, please. Is it? Okay. Oh, that's what he said. Spell your last name, man. Hey, what's his last name? What's that?
Z-U-B-E-R?
J-O-H-N? Is that who that is?
I'm asking because
I haven't run her yet.
She's clear.
Is that Haley? Is that who that is, or do you hear that name somewhere?
That's the 127.
Oh, okay, I got you. Yeah, Haley Hearns, who it came back to, but I don't know. Oh, he was already on here, yeah.
Vincent, Victor, Idaho, Sam, Ocean, first name Kenneth.
He pulled in here and went to bail out on foot, so I put my bumper in his door and shut it on him. Then he took off on foot, went down by the lake, and got him. No, I'm good, man. Was it? No, he didn't.
No, I'm talking about you.
Oh, me? No. Well, he took off down by the lake, and I got him on the dock. Yeah. He tried bailing out on this door, and I just closed it on him. Down in the back.
Did he throw anything?
No, he didn't. I was right on his ass the whole time. He didn't throw anything at all. He got a bunch of crap in the back, though. Yeah.
Did you start your criminal?
No, I haven't. Need to.
Now you can go to criminal.